Remember this guy? The bottom half of a broken gear lever. Well, thank you David from Great Barrier Island. He threw in the bracket in case I wanted the hole for a reverse light. It's the same as the one I already have, but thanks mate. And a virgin unbroken gear lever. Well, not really virgin. More like been around the block 200,000 times. But you know what I mean. A little farm fresh as he described it. But that's no problem at all. I went over and over deciding whether or not I should weld it now, knowing that it would likely break in the future if I didn't. I don't really want to mar a good gear lever with weld, but I also don't want it to rip off in the middle of a river. So given that it's not in pristine condition anyway, I decided to go with the weld. For my modest welder, the ball might be a bit of a heat sink, so I preheated it. Now, I did consider filling all of the rust pitting, but given that a gear lever is in a high scratch zone, I don't really want to be dealing with pink scratches in the future. So straight to paint. I hit it with a zinc primer, and just a couple of coats of Rust-Oleum gloss black. That'll be fine for inside the vehicle. This is an inside circlip, and both my pairs of inside circlip pliers look like this. I forgot that the tips were Gonski. So I guess I'm going to strain the right and left hemispheres of my brain by using outside pliers in reverse. Okay, that's too hard for me. New plan. I'll quickly go and grind new tips onto the proper pliers. Moron. Obviously in hindsight, the ball-shaped washer should go against the ball. Wow, that was a good one. Smooth like sandy butter. Just kidding, it feels great. So there are these lock tabs that stop the upwards facing screws from rattling loose, but they are all mangled and split. This is probably the best one. So I'm going to leave them all out for now and try to remember to order new ones next time I'm buying more parts. And there we go. I'm not going to attach it to the gearbox on video. The gearbox is under a tarpaulin in the dark corner,